Today we are entering the world where cars are not merely machines, but the most valuable works of art. Introducing Rolls-Royce La Rose Noire Droptail, the most expensive car of the world. The price of this masterpiece is quite amazing, with an eye-opening price component of almost $30 million. And this is the way to represent the meaning of luxury and exclusivity. However, at what cost does this cost an individual jet plane? Let's find out. Before starting the video, subscribe to the channel because your one subscribe helps us to grow. Let's start the video. The La Rose Noire Droptail is priced at an approximated $30 million, the highest priced new car to be commissioned. And have this, one is being built on a very hush-puppy, very rich client. According to the World, Rolls-Royce La Rose Noire Droptail was commissioned by a woman and her husband who belong to a very well-known international family. Rolls-Royce has not revealed the real names of the buyers, instead revealing them as anonymous. Rolls-Royce needed 4 years of time to design and handcraft this beauty and make sure that no single detail was less than perfect. This Droptail is not just a display underneath the base. It is also driven by a 6.75-liter with twin-turbocharged V12 powered engine with 563 horsepower and a 850 Newton matrix of torque. Nonetheless, being a rolling artwork, it performs like real Rolls-Royce, smooth, powerful, and whisper quiet. Now let's talk design. La Rose Noire is a blend of the Black Baccarat rose, a rare variety of flowers contained in France, with deep red color which can be black in some light. Even the exterior paint required years to be perfect, combining the colors of red and black in an amazing paint that varies with the sun. The smooth roadster form, broad curves, and custom-made carbon fiber features of the car allow it to appear less like a car or more like a moving piece of art. Enter the world and you are in an entire different world. The interior is also one of the most complicated woodwork undertakings the Rolls-Royce has ever executed. 1600 pieces of black sycamore veneer, which have been hand-cut and fitted together in a kind of rose pattern design over the cabin. The seats have been upholstered in deep red leather and are absolutely complementary to the rose theme. And right at the center of the table is one of the custom Audemars Piguet timepieces that can be literally unstrapped and put on the wrist. It is luxury to a different extent. How to own one? Then how will you possess a Rolls-Royce like this? The short answer: you can't. Rolls-Royce displays cars such as La Rose Noire Droptail in its coach build program, in which very high-end clients are invited at will to work directly with designers. This masterpiece will never be within your reach unless you are on the elite list, with hundreds of millions in net worth, and that is what makes it so fascinating. Perhaps I think. The Rolls-Royce La Rose Noire Droptail is not a car, it is the expression of art, zeal and exclusiveness, which most of us will never in our lives get an opportunity to experience. But what do you think? Would you buy it, or would you buy something else such as a mansion, a yacht, or even a personal island with a price of $30 million? Incorporate me in the comments below. And never forget that you can be subscribing to more crazy car stories than you can believe.